Haley. Haley, do you know, where's Lola? Where's Lola? Do you know where Lola is?
Me. I know.
Where's Lola, Connor?
With Uncle David.
And where's that?
I'm in California.
That's right. Do you remember what part of California?
I only know one part.
What part?
I know Uncle David's part, his house.
That's right, his house. And where's next to his house?
Shampoo?
Shamu.
Next to his house.
Yeah, Shamu. Remember Shamu, Haley?
Shamu.